You're now ready for the next step: Bluetooth pairing and smartphone connectivity through wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Before we start, please remember that setting up a new Bluetooth device cannot be done while the vehicle is in motion. Immediately after you've linked your Toyota app profile to your vehicle, the audio multimedia system will automatically prompt you to begin Bluetooth setup. If you do not see the prompt, tap the gear icon to view driver settings. From here, tap Bluetooth and Devices. Next, check that your phone has Bluetooth enabled. Tap Search for Devices and select your phone from the list of available devices found. Now, from your phone's Bluetooth settings, find and select your vehicle from the list of available devices. The touchscreen and your phone should both show the same 6-digit code. If the numbers match, tap Pair on your phone and OK on the touchscreen to create the connection. Your phone will now ask if you'd like to sync your contacts and favorites. Tap Allow to start the sync. After your phone is connected to your vehicle via Bluetooth, the system will automatically ask if you'd like to enable Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Simply tap Yes on the touchscreen, followed by Connect on the prompt displayed on your phone, and eligible apps will be mirrored on your touchscreen.